Kasngi benengkong jong ke Dorbar sunrai pesan sengi jong ke Ïing Dorbar Ïing ke Jela Meghalaya. Kelas dangak pratrik nailur jabsan hakabau Konrad ke sangma Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubah persetujuan tensong baru bak senyau balang dahar ki bedai sembut Menteri Rangba lem kiwei ki Menteri Sarkar kilawan rai kaipot berkumju yakibil beper. Handrai hashwaban poi shaka obituary references lani ke cingran kan mau buram ki nong mi khmat pajba ki blaklat no kumbu julong ke rukom da kit Khot ke Ïing Dorbar Ïing ke Jela Meghalaya uba Adelbert nongrum MLA na not Shillong lo yang ban pan Jingshai no Thomas sangma Lamphang ke Ïing Dorbar halor ke Jingshai Pynkynriah Jaka Shong uba Adelbert udai ubla shabe seng shipor ke Voice of the People Party VPP nadu ka arpsau trik ulber ajabsan ke seng sanhima na ke bau job election MLA arjar fly halor ki nongrim bulale persya ialah ke chong ke seng kumun syukdau bau ba Adelbert lo pha chingtho su Lamphang ban panpau ba siti pe seng ke VPP kamdai ke Shong nongrem namar klem pensya Jaka kumtau ba Adelbert lo yang ne ke step ban pan Jingshai ke Jingshai Pynkynriah Jaka Shong hak ba omshum lo yo su ban Shong hak chu lain bat ki MLA ke VPP ke badan hak liang persya jong ke Ïing Dorbar Ïing nakaliang Lamphang la kuntu yu ba Adelbert bayagani kekam ansakhat Ïakren hakamra trikam chung
Hello, sir. Sir, excuse me. I'm not supposed to interrupt, but sir, may I seek a clarification from your esteemed chair? Like, why myself being as an MLA from VPP, be in this position? Last time I was in this chair, now you are putting me in the back, so I don't know what's the reason. So may I get clarification from?
No, under what rules you are bringing a point of order? You can discuss it later on in the.
No, I did not raise any point of order, sir, but just to seek clarification. Because I remember for my party, they had suspended me on the 24/3/2025. What I'm raising my voice at a point of time that this is purely illegal, purely unconstitutional, because they are refer not in a proper address. They did not refer me in a proper address as a legislative, as a legislator. Adelbert 17 North Shillong MLA. But they had referred me at the point of time as Adelbert Naurum, Mr. Adelbert Naurum, Shillong. Is it true?
The matter will be discussed later in my chamber. This is not the appropriate place or time to discuss this on the house. Thank you, please.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.